Okay, so this is going to be your Wednesday math lesson. So this is going to be kind of review and incorporating everything that you've been learning so far and how to convert them, like we've been doing the greater than, less than, or equals to. So just as a refresher, I'm just going to write these down. Remember, 1 pint equals 2 cups. 1 quart equals 2 pints. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 yard equals 3 feet. 1 decimeter equals 10 centimeters. And 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. We're not doing kilograms, grams, milliliters, or liters with this one, or kilometers. We're just doing everything before that. Okay, here's this if you want a quick little show of it. Okay. I'm going to erase it, and then I'm going to give you some examples. So if we know that 1 gallon equals 4 quarts, right? 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. Okay, this is correct. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. What would it be, how many quarts would there be if we had 2 gallons? That would equal how many quarts? Well, we know that we want to transform this into quarts, right? So if we know 1 gallon equals 4 and we have 2, we would do a multiplication of 2 times 4. Why? Because we have 2 gallons and they go into 4. So 2 times 4. What does that equal? 8. Okay, it equals 8. Sorry, this is like my backwards handwriting. So then we know that there are 8 quarts. You would also multiply. Okay, good rule of thumb. Okay, you're going to multiply to find the answer. If you're trying to rename a larger unit, we know a gallon is bigger in size than a quart, but we're trying to rename those gallons in quart form. So if you've got a larger unit and we're trying to make it smaller, you're going to multiply. You're going to divide when you have the smaller unit, when you're trying to rename the smaller unit. So like, let's say, for example, if we have 60 decimeters and we're trying to make it into a meter. Well, we know 1 meter equals 10 decimeters. So we would take that 10, because we're trying to transform that meter into a decimeter, and we would say, okay, we're trying to take those decimeters and change them to meters. So we would say 60 divided by 10 equals what? 6, and it would be 6 meters, okay? So let me kind of break that down for you guys. And you can take a picture of this when you're watching it, that you can have it as a reference, okay? I'm going to write multiply over here, and I'm going to write divide on this side of my board like this, and then I'm going to write on the sides which ones you would try to do. So you're going to try to find if you're going from a gallon to quarts, if you're going from decimeter to centimeter, if you're going yard to feet, if you're going meter to decimeter. Trying to make sure I'm not missing any. If you're going pint to cup, meter, decimeter, pint to cup, yard to feet. And if you're going quart to pint, these you're going to multiply. Okay, you're going to multiply these. Gallon to quart, decimeter to centimeter, yard to feet, meter to decimeter, pint to cup, and quart to pint. Okay? You're going to divide feet that are going to yard, decimeter, that's going to meter, cup, that's going to pint. You're going to notice something in just a second. Centimeter going to decimeter, quart going to gallon, and which one am I missing? Quart to gallon, yes, 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 and then pint to quart. And this is divide. Notice that they're just flip-flopped. So like down here, this is quart to pint, you're multiplying, but pint to quart, you're dividing. All right, let's see. Let's do an example. We have 4 yards. How many feet would that be? Reference, 1 yard equals 3 feet, okay? We're going from yard to feet, meaning we're gonna multiply. If we have 4 here and we know each yard equals 3 feet, what would your, let me try to write this backwards. It'd be 4 times 3 equals, woo, that's messy. 4 times 3, that would equal what? Say it out loud with me, 12. That's how you would find that. Now let's do another one with division. Okay, we have, we have 16 quarts, and that equals how many gallons? Okay, for reference, 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. 1 gallon equals 4 quarts. What would the division, we know we're going to divide. What would the division be? 16, right? 1, 6, 16 divided by what? 4. 16 divided by 4 is what? 4. That's how you would solve that. All right, guys, that is what you're doing on your math workbook today. It's workbook page 102. It is for a grade. So if you want to look at page 102, you have 20 questions, 1 through 9. You're going to be converting just like I did. I will post a picture of the breakdown of the measurements for you. That way you're not flipping back and forth. That's kind of ridiculous. 10 through 18, you're going to be doing greater than, less than, or equals to. Remember to always convert. Always convert to the largest number. And then you can know how to solve that. And then 19 and 20 are word problems. All right, I'll post the chart for you guys. And if you have any questions, need any help, let me know. And I'll see you on Thursday for your next lesson. Bye, guys.